Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today we're continuing my experimenting with a gold canvas that I have spray painted gold and then done an acrylic paint pour on top. Today we're going to do this beautiful yellow flower, and it's super simple, and I learned some great tricks and tips along the way. So let's get started. So first I have my cake pan. This is a springform cake pan I've coated in an aluminum foil just to help protect it from the paint. And I'm going in with a titanium white around the barrier of the cake pan. Now I have done a lot of cake pan pours. This is the first time I've done it on a spray painted canvas. So definitely learning a few things. One being that it is leaking underneath the barrier. It's not quite as snug as it is with a canvas that doesn't have that slick metallic surface. But as you'll see, I do kind of fix that towards the end. I'm also going in with a cadmium yellow medium. I thought that it would make the paint spread a little more evenly and easily, I should say, over the canvas by spraying it down with water. And as you'll see in a minute, I think that was a mistake, but I do correct that, but just something to be aware of if you're going to try this technique. I have my hairdryer set on low, and I'm just blowing out some beautiful petals here. As you'll see, the white is starting to separate towards the outside of the petal. So that's sort of what I mean by that water hitting that paint and making those cells there. You might be interested in that. I think it was a little bit too much. It was almost like repelling the paint. So I'm going back in and adding in some white to cover up those spots that have separated due to that water. So going forward, I've learned I definitely won't be spraying the canvas down with water. Now the canvas has been spray painted with a metallic gold spray paint. It's a particular brand and finish that I will put in the description below. I found it's really beautiful. It goes on very seamlessly and very shiny, reflects the light. So definitely give this a try if you're looking to sort of try something new with your acrylic paint pours. So I'm going to go in here with a paper towel to just dry up the paint that has seeped through. I'm going to keep doing this until it's a shape that I am happy with. Now stay tuned for the next phase where I let this dry and I actually varnish it, and I'll show you the final result. We're gently lifting this cake pan barrier here, and then I'm just going to fix this little spot where the paint didn't quite make a cohesive line at the end. I'm just using a basic straw here. All right, so let's let this dry. We're going to give it a quick torch, and then we'll see what happens. right, guys, this is the final piece after it has dried and been varnished with a Camar varnish. I wanted to show it to you with the sun reflecting off it so you could see the beautiful sheen of this gold canvas. And actually the varnish adhered very nicely to this gold canvas. So I'm overall really happy with this as another experiment with using gold spray paint. So if you have any questions or anything that you want to ask about how I've done this with the gold spray paint, please put those down below in the comments. And that is all I have for today. I will see you next time.